Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's get started with blending. Remember, this week we're blending onset and rhyme. Here we go. Globe, globe, bluff, bluff, clean, clean, sleek, sleek, blank, blank, club, club, flake, flake, slime, slime. All right, let's get ready to punch out some ending sounds. Remember, we're sliding our arm across our body and punching out that final sound. The word is shrub, shrub. The word is float, float. The word is then. The word is wolf, wolf. Good. The word is zoom, zoom. The word is flag, flag. The word is sub, sub. And the last word is sled, sled. Good. Now we're going to segment onset and rhyme. So I'll say the word, you repeat it, and then we're going to chop it onset and rhyme. The word is plead, plead. The word is bleach, bleach. Slight, slight. Fluke, fluke. Clump, clump. Blow, blow. Clasp, clasp. And slow, slow. All right, get your fists ready. We are going to do some phoneme substitution. The first word is row. Change r to gl, glow. The word is more. Change to fl, floor. The word is gain. Change g to pl, plain. The word is teach. Change t to bl, bleach. The word is cheek. Change ch to sl, sleek. Okay, now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part of the word, the rhyme, and we're going to add the beginning onset blend, and then we'll put them together to make a new word. The word is 8. Add sl to the beginning. Slate. The word is O. Add fl to the beginning. Flow. The word is eat. Add pl to the beginning. Pleat. The word is a. Add cl to the beginning. Clay. The word is ack. Add bl to the beginning. Black. Good. Now we're going to delete that beginning onset, or that beginning blend sound, the onset, and see what we're left with. The word is blame. Without bl, the word is aim. The word is clean. Without cl, the word is een. The word is sleek. Without sl, the word is eek. The word is place. Without pl, the word is ace. The word is floor. Without fl, the word is or. All right, good job today.